Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Solid World. Today I'll continue with the 2D drawings. So today I'll go with this drawing. You can see there is a slot for key at the four ends. So these the slots, they are at an angle of 90 degrees. You can see very easily. So this is a general figure you'll find everywhere. You can just see also. So let's start with this. So this is SolidWorks 2015. Same procedure, I'll go on new, I'll click on parts, then I'll click OK. So you can see so many tabs. So again, the similar manner, I have to select the plane. This time I'll go with the right plane. You can select any of the plane. Till it is a 2D drawing, it doesn't matter which plane you select. You can go with any of the plane, but this time I'll go with the right plane because people might be thinking that I'm always selecting the top plane or the front plane. I'll go with the right plane. Then I'll click on sketch. My plane is ready. You can see the origin is also there. I'll select two center line. The center line should be of infinite length. I have many times I have told you why this center line should be of infinite length. So keep that thing in mind. This is my vertical center line and this is the horizontal one. Sorry, the center line is not appropriate. I need to delete the center line. I'll select this, I'll press delete. Deleted. So did you get how I deleted? I just need to select the center line and click on the delete button which is available on your keyboard. So in this way you can delete a center line. Again I need to draw a center line. Click on center line, then infinite, and then I have to draw. So the line which I deleted, actually I can recorrect it, but I thought to draw it once again. So once you will see this horizontal icon on the display, you can easily make a center line, the horizontal center line. So this is an infinite center line. Now the figure is very easy. So you can see the first circle is having a diameter of 30. The other circle is having a diameter of 18 because the radius is 9. You can easily see that. So we have to focus on making actually the three circles. I'll tell you why. I'll make a circle this of 18 diameter, another circle I'll make of 24 diameter, and one more circle I'll make of 30 diameter. I'll tell you why, because this will make our work very easily. This will actually reduce our work. So I'll make three circles. First circle, then again a bigger circle, then again a bigger circle. Go to smart dimensioning, click here on the circle, just mention as 30, then click on this, just mention at 24, another smaller one, click here, mention as 18. I guess our job is done. 50% of our job is done, I guess. Yes, it is done. Now what I have done, I have made work very easy for you, because previously what you people will do in a normal sense, what people actually do, not you people, but people actually do, they try to calculate the distance, how much this distance is, then this distance is, then they'll make one, then they'll make the another one. Actually they'll consume lots and lots of time. So instead of that, since I have made a circle, all I need to do, I have to go on that circle, make a tangent line using a midpoint line, equidistant from the tangent point, and my job is done. So it's so simple as that. Now I have to go and select the midpoint line. Why? Because I need equidistance from this point. So I'll try to zoom in this point, and I'll click here, and I'll try to make it set as tangent. So you can see an indicator is shown of tangent, that is the yellow color mark. You can very easily see. Since I have selected this midpoint line, so this line would be very equidistant from that yellow point. Okay, so I'll click outside, give it a smart dimensioning, how much I need. In the figure you can easily see that this distance is 4. So this distance is 4. So 4 is done. Now you don't have to do you don't have to do anything else. Just you need to select a line. Okay, click on this end point. You can see end point here. Click here and join it with the circle. Okay, again press L on your keyboard. Line command will activate. Click on this point, again another point on the circle. That's it. Again you have to exit out. So this thing has been made. Now what about the rest of the circle? What I need to do with that? Just trim it. Just select the circle and delete it. That's it. We are done. I am selecting this circle and I am pressing the delete button. Yes, I need to delete this. Delete it. Now what next? It's nothing. This time I'll teach you, what should I teach you? I'm thinking to teach you the mirror entities instead of, going with the linear sketches or pattern. Now this time I'll teach you with the sketch and patterns, and later on I can go with the mirror entities. So here you can see a command called linear sketch pattern. Okay, so it will add the patterns on your figure. So I'm selecting this circular sketch pattern. After selecting circular sketch pattern, you have to select the figures. So I'm selecting this figure, this total line. So press Control and select. Again press Control and select. Again press Control and select. So what you can see, you can very easily see that at the fore end of the circle, the figure has been generated. So you can see with the yellow sign. So since I have kept this equal spacing, and here I have mentioned as a count of 4. What if I increase this? If I increase this, you can easily see at 360 degree, seven sets of figures with equidistance. So they'll easily come out. But I need 4. I'll reduce it to 4. So this is done. Okay, this is done. So once you select, the figure, all the figure you have selected will come here. See, line number 5, line number 4, line number 6. This is line, I think line number probably 4, 5 and 6. So this will come here. So I'll click here, OK. This is my part. Now I have to trim this to make it look good. Actually not look good, it is the demand of the figure. I'll click here. Every time I'll select this option, that is trim to the closest. I'll click here, gone. Again this, gone, gone. This is also gone, 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 and done. So you can see a figure having a slot for key. Many a times it happens. It might be some kind of shaft key or something else, because I have seen this figure so many times. So this is the figure you will generally find everywhere. It is sometimes related to automotive as well. So in this way we have completed this figure. So I can see that if any of the dimensioning is inside the figure, just click on the dimensioning and just make it outside. It will give a clear idea about the figure. So this is the figure. This is done. This is all for now, and in the next video I'll come with a new 2D sketching. Thank you.